Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we're actually celebrating our wedding anniversary. Jamil and I, we're gonna go see the Wildflowers in Lake Elsinore and have a day at the spa and then just stay the night in Fallbrook. We decided to have like a little staycation and not travel too far for our anniversary. This is probably the first time we've ever done something like this where we just stay locally. I had to take a couple of days off of work, so I didn't want to travel too far or be away from home or from work for too long. As you guys know, I'm self-employed, so yeah, it's not easy taking time off. But I think 2 days is good. It'll be like a 4-day weekend for us, so that's a pretty generous amount of time to spend together. Tonight we booked a stay in Fallbrook inside a Tipi in some, like, I think farm or ranch, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm really excited because it's kind of like camping, but not really, because I'm not taking my camping gear. I'm just taking my clothes and just my bare essentials. And yeah, it's kind of like glamping. I've never even heard of the word glamping before until now when I booked this TP. So right now Jamil's getting some coffee. We haven't had anything to eat yet because they're gonna have breakfast at the spa, so I don't want to get full too soon. And yeah, apparently this spa has, like, I believe 17 different types of pools and different temperatures. There's also a sulfur bath. I believe it's a bath or a pool. I'm not exactly sure. That's just what somebody told me, but I'm excited to check that out. We're dedicated to relaxing this weekend because it's been a while since we've had an outing like this. But yeah. We just left the hot springs, and what did you think of it, babe?
It was cool. It was really relaxing. We smell like sulfur and eggs and mud.
Well, a little bit. I think I splashed some in my hair. We went inside the mineral baths and a saline pool after getting a massage done. That's what was recommended after the massage, to take a dip in the saline pool to kind of relieve any soreness. And I actually got into a fender bender like 3 days ago, so that was really helpful. I don't feel that tense in my neck or my back. So yeah, my skin feels really soft after taking a dip in the mineral water. It smells really bad. It's sulfur, so expect a nasty rotten egg smell. But look at these flowers. Yeah, so we're just gonna grab a small bite to eat, and then we're gonna head out to the teepee, to the camping site. So okay, so we just got here at our Airbnb. Hey guys!
Don't get too close.
Hi guys! They come to greet us. What a cute llama.
I heard him like, you know, bleeding or whatever. I'm like, what's going on over there? And I just poke my head out, and I see him poking his head out like through the behind the bushes, and I see the alpaca like right behind him.
Oh, look how big this is. It's huge. It's cute. What a nice view. And a bunch of poop. Oh, look at the miniature horse. Miniature or mini horse?
Maybe left their shoes here. Oh no.
Yeah.
Let me take them off.
Wait. Whoa. This is so cool. Look how tall that is.
It's really tall.
This is so cute. Look at this chair. Everything is so cute here. That's cool. Avocado. Oh, there's even board games.
Cool. Oh yeah, because there's no TV.
I love this setup right here.
I know, it's really pretty.
This is so cute. Look at that, you guys.
You can even see underneath the floorboards.
Yeah, you can.
And then this is a light, I'm assuming. Yep. Yep.
So
Lantern.
bugs are gonna get in, huh?
Maybe.
This is some serious glamping. Okay, so I'm ending the video here. We're just gonna call it a night. We're watching Kitchen Nightmares on the iPad. There's no TV here, so that's the only form of entertainment that we have. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Good night.
Good night.